In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. A Midsummer Night's Dream was a play designed for representation on a midsummer night. Midsummer Night Day marks the festival of Saint John, and it was in those days one of the chief and most joyous anniversaries of the Christian year. This day was to the summer solstice what Christmas Day still is to the winter solstice. The words of Saint Luke that many should rejoice at the birth of Saint John found a literal fulfillment in the celebration of this anniversary. On the evening of this day, numerous ceremonies and festive customs were observed. Bonfires, called St. John fires, were lit, the houses were decorated with plants and flowers and were illuminated. Processions were taken out, and religious songs were sung. Pageants and triumphs, that is, shows and displays, were arranged, and plays were acted. This last item, namely the acting of plays, supplies a satisfactory explanation of the title of our play. A Midsummer Night's Dream thus seems to have intended for performance on the stage on a midsummer night. Scholars are of the opinion that A Midsummer Night's Dream was meant to grace a wedding in an aristocratic household. In this play, the theme of marriage occupies a position of great prominence, and this theme seems to suggest that the play was written on the occasion of some particular marriage. In those days, the performance of the play at the wedding celebrations of a great nobleman frequently took place. The pieces composed for such occasions were commonly known as masques. A Midsummer Night's Dream has several features which link it with a masque. It is certainly the kind of play that would be written for a marriage. According to one view, the marriage honoured by Shakespeare in this play was that of Earl of Essex, which took place in 1590. According to another view, it was the marriage of Earl of Southampton which provided Shakespeare with an occasion to write the play. But the Earl of Southampton was married in 1598, while this play as pointed out was definitely written earlier than 1598. Even the date of marriage of Earl of Essex does not conform with the view already expressed above, that this play was written in 1595 or 1596. A more convincing view is that this play was written on the occasion of marriage of Elizabeth Carey and Thomas, the son of Lord Henry Berkeley, which took place on 19 February 1596. The most probable hypothesis then is that A Midsummer Night's Dream was composed in the winter of 1595 to 96 for the Carey wedding, which was held on 19 February 1596.